Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I've got a really quick recipe for you to make your own keto natural sweetener. You're going to love this recipe, especially if you're one of those people who really can't just quite get used to the taste of stevia or erythritol, for example. I've got your solution right here. Stay tuned. I learned this recipe from reading a blog called Joy-Filled Eats. It was written by someone named Taryn, and she has a lot of really great recipes. You should check out that blog. I'm going to put the link in the description below here. Starts off with, and you want to weigh this stuff, it starts off with 6 ounces of erythritol. Taryn actually makes twice this amount. I don't really need that much sweetener around myself because I don't sweeten a lot of stuff, but anyway, we're just going to weigh it out, 6 ounces. That's 170 grams, by the way, if you're metric. Then 8 ounces of xylitol. It's about a cup, or 225 grams. There we have it, just a tiny bit over. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pure organic stevia, or whatever stevia powder that you like. Not stevia in the raw, though, as you'll see if you go to Taryn's blog. Anyway, there you go, and if you're going to use this for cooking, you can just put a lid on it, just like this, and shake it up until it's completely combined, which is very nice. Taryn also adds that, and I think this is a good idea, if you're going to use this in drinks, as opposed to cooking, you should pulverize it, and so we're going to do that in my food processor here. I'm just going to pour it in. Nothing could be easier, really. Secure the lid, let it rip for 30 seconds, a minute, something like that. That should be quite enough. And here, you can see it's a little bit dusty and powdery. That's all right, that's just what we want. It'll dissolve really well that way. And then we're just going to pour it back into our jar to store it. Before I was on keto, I used to drink sugar in my coffee all the time. Let's try this with a nice little cup of hot black coffee. Well, all right, let's try it. Here, Taryn tells us that this is about 2 times the sweetness of sugar. So I'm going to use about ½ teaspoon in my little cup of coffee. Ooh, yeah, that's really good. I love it. It doesn't have the aftertaste that you sometimes get with erythritol or stevia. It's really very close to sugar, I think. You try it and tell me what you think in the comments. In the meantime, I hope you'll like this video, that you will share it on Facebook especially, and that you'll subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow and helps you find my videos. Listen, thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.